Hello fellow riders! Today let's explore an amazing machine that has been winning hearts and mastering terrains for many years, the Honda Transalp. The latest edition of Transalp is Honda's response to the growing trend of middleweight adventure motorcycles that are becoming increasingly popular. Back in the late 80s, Honda had a vision to create a bike that could handle all sorts of roads while keeping you comfortable on those long rides. And thus the Transalp series was born. The XL750 Transalp is the pinnacle of this evolution, featuring a powerful parallel twin engine, good suspension, and a design that screams adventure. Now, let's get real. The Transalp 750 is versatile, no doubt, but let's be honest, it's not a mini Africa twin. It's a smaller motorcycle and more at home on well-maintained gravel roads and highways. It's a reliable companion for your everyday adventures, but don't expect it to handle the most extreme off-road challenges like many other middle-class motorcycles can. Honda's known for build quality, and the Transalp lives up to that. The riding position is comfortable when seated, but while standing, a slightly higher handlebar for those off-road maneuvers would be great. The XL750 comes with selectable riding modes to give the rider control over various surfaces. These riding modes are Standard, Sport, Rain, Gravel and User. I was surprised when I realized that the Gravel mode has traction control still on. Now here's the twist: simplicity. While the Transalp is built to last, some of us yearn for that extra touch of refinement. Maybe it's time for Honda to take a page from the Italian's book and infuse a bit more artistry into its design. And before we wrap up, my fellow two-wheeled enthusiasts, let's keep this adventure rolling. Smash that like button to show your love, drop a comment to share your thoughts. Would you choose Transalp for your next adventure? Well, the Transalp legacy lives on, offering a balance between practicality and adventure. It's a bike that takes you places, physically and philosophically, reminding us that the journey is just as important as the destination. So, fellow riders, gear up and set forth on your very own Transalp adventure. Until next time, ride safe and ride free.